Hello everyone, today I will cook this Arabic meal called Fasulya. It's simple to make and it's very healthy. So let's get started. We need 1 can of tomatoes, 400 grams of frozen green beans, 1 medium onion, 250 grams of ground beef, 3-4 garlic cloves, olive oil, salt and pepper. To infuse our dish with garlic flavor, heat some olive oil and add sliced garlic. Cook for 2 minutes until lightly golden. Add chopped onions and salt until soft and golden, about 5 minutes. Add the ground beef and cook until it's browned, but not fully cooked. Add green beans and stir everything together. Blend tomatoes beforehand. Pour in the canned tomatoes. If the sauce looks too thick or dry, add a little of hot water or more canned tomatoes to get the consistency you want. Add salt. I add about 1 teaspoon and pepper to taste. Now reduce the heat to low, cover it and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Fasulya is ready. So we take pita and we take a piece of fasulya with pita and enjoying it. Even though I prefer to eat it with fork. So how to eat fasulka? Like this.
Only with hands.
I still do it with fork.